Tremendous big challenge. Wait for India. Yes, why I speak? Listen carefully. Because South Africa is also in tremendous form. They not lost a single match like India, and their batsmen are experienced and in dangerous form. So, to beat South Africa, Indian spin bowlers must require in tremendous form. Yes, this is only the positive point for India, that is, they have the good quality spin bowlers, spin attack. And also, batsmen, our batsmen are not as experienced as the South African batsmen like Markram, Miller, Quinton de Kock, more experienced batsmen. But our most batsmen are new. So this is also examination, tough examination for our batsman, how to face the fast bowler of South Africa. Yes. So they record the special strategy for the India, how to beat South Africa, require a tremendous plan. So enjoy this match. Started at 7 p.m. 7 p.m. and there is a Sunday, so all can enjoy this match and hope India win this match. Share, and if you like information, subscribe, share. Thanks.